loves, it's your girl Jenae back again with another banger.
I'm just trying to get up with you, with you, with you. I'm just trying to get up with you.
I'm really happy because I forgot that my TV has Pandora on it, so I can actually film and listen to music. No copyright infringement, none of that. This is my girl Jenae, who I have previously played in old videos. This is her song Insane Asylum. But yeah, I'm just here today. I was looking for some curl formers at the beauty supply store. Couldn't find any curl formers, but what I did find was our spiral rods. And I was like, well, let me just give it a try and see how it turns out. So I bought a bunch of these and I'm going to give them a shot on my hair. See, I just finished washing. I have a lot of hair. I just finished washing my hair, so my hair is still damp. It's not super wet, but it is damp. So I'm starting on damp hair with these spiral rods. I bought a total of 60 of them, I think I did. One pack, they come in packs of 12, and this is the length that they are. I'm hoping that my hair isn't like longer than these spirals. I'm hoping that they're not. I also bought, because part of my hair is shorter than the rest of my hair, so I did buy some shorter, fatter ones for the areas where my hair is shorter. Because I cut off some of the heat damage hair, so that I could keep my curls. So if you would like to see my experience with my crazy hair and these spiral rods, keep on watching. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I do to achieve this look. I hope that they turn out cute, but I have to go to church in the morning. We're having drive-through service, which I'm super excited about. But because of that, I am on my church's praise team and I have to sing in the morning, so my hair has to look like something. I can't be up there looking like this. Like, they're gonna look at me like I'm crazy. So I'm gonna give these spiral rods a try and see how they go, so you guys can be a part of my experience. So the products that I am using, again, I'm starting on freshly washed and conditioned hair. I bought Natural 85's Melanin leave-in conditioner that she made. So I'm going to be using this to condition my hair. Of course, you have to seal in that moisture, so I'm using same thing, Natural 85's Melanin Pure Oil Blend. I'm using that to lock in the moisture. And then I'm just going to use some wrapping lotion instead of gel, so hopefully it'll keep my curls like light and fluffy. I was going to use gel. If I do use gel, it'll just be on my edges, and I use Mielle Organic styling gel. So if I need to use gel, I'll use that just for my edges. Actual curls, I'm going to be using this Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. So I'm going to go through, detangle my hair, and then section my hair off and get started. So I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm actually putting the spiral rods in my hair. Quick fro appreciation video, because look at this thing, and it's not even stretched out. Like, I just washed my hair and conditioned it. My hair fro is not even stretched out. Like, my hair is growing, y'all, and I'm happy about it. I'm happy about it. I look real black powery right now. So. My hair parted in half. Normally I do half down the middle, but I really want to make my fro like, I don't know how to describe it, circular, I guess. I want my curls to fall like all over my head. So that's why I have it parted like that, because I'm going to start with the back, and then the front I'm going to make it come down towards the front of my head. I don't know if y'all noticed, but my face has been breaking out really, really bad. Let me tell y'all something, because I was about to do my little experience with the Aztec Healing Clay Mask. And I tried this stuff for one day, and my face broke out terribly. Like, when I say it's been bad, it's been really, really bad. So I don't think I'll ever use this again, or maybe I'm not using it right. If you've ever used this before, comment below, tell me what you do, because this stuff for my face did not work. It did not work at all, and my face has been breaking out ever since. And now I'm just trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with my face, because my face is broken out really bad. But yeah, back to my hair. I'm about to get started on the back part of my hair. Freshly washed, conditioned. It has the leave-in conditioner in there plus the oil. So now the only product I'm going to be using is my foam and lotion, and then a brush just to try and keep my hair as flat as possible. So I'm hoping this turns out cute. I'm just going to section off another part in the back of my head to start off. So I have like that much sectioned off. I'm just going to clip the rest of this up. On YouTube, some videos, people like start off twisting their hair first and then put the spiral sets in. I'm just gonna try it without doing all of that. I'm hoping I bought enough rollers actually, but I'm gonna give it a try without twisting it first and see how it goes. I'm gonna have to order some curl formers off of Amazon though, because curl formers on my hair usually do really, really good. I just couldn't find any in the beauty supply store. So it comes with these, and then it comes with a little clip that you're supposed to put at the end to keep your hair in place. So I'm just gonna take a little section. Just a little bit, because my hair is already wet. Making sure that I'm putting it, especially at the ends of my hair, because the ends of my hair usually like to frizz up a lot. And then with my flat brush, just go in, try and flatten my hair as much as possible. So they say you're supposed to like lock your hair at the top, and then put this little hook on it. Seems simple enough. I hope I got all of it on there. I think I did. And then you just bring it around. So wait, hold on. Hold up. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me figure this out off camera. I'll come back to y'all. I have one in my hair and I hate it already. These things are hard to use. I don't know who thought these were a good idea. These things are super hard to use. This is what it looks like, but it literally just took me like 10 minutes to figure that out. And I don't even know if it's gonna stay because it feels really loose. So what I ended up doing was putting this little part into a ponytail using a rubber band. You have followed my other hair posts. I always talk about these because I don't like using these in my hair because they're rough on your hair, but I can't figure out another way to do this. So I'm not into it so far. I'm gonna see how these go. I think I'm actually about to try the front of my hair first. I had started in the back, but I want to see if I can get the hang of it in the front because I ain't got it in the back right now. I might try like this last row and then start in the front. I don't know. I'm over it. I'm about to try another one and I'll come back to y'all, see how it goes, because I'm over it. Alright, so I told y'all I'd give y'all a little example of how I do it. I still won't say I got this down to a science, but it's better than it was. I'm getting frustrated though because I feel like they keep falling out and I keep having to replace them. like especially in the back, they really keep falling out. So I'm just over it. I just want to finish it at this point. So this is what I've been doing. I twist it. Excuse the music in the background. I told y'all Pandora is working, so I'm listening to music on Pandora while I'm doing this. So I twist it, grab the end, wrap it around this little hook, and then just go around. You gotta hold this steady though, because if you don't hold it steady, it's gonna keep turning as you wrap your hair around it. So you gotta hold it steady. I'm not into this, but. And then you just clip it. So I'm gonna clip it right here. And I kind of just rotate it down to the end of my hair. So then hopefully it'll keep on to the end of my hair. My curl's gonna be super short. I'm already not into it. I'm gonna make it work, but I'm really not into it, as you can see by my face. So I'll come back to you guys with the finished product, what it looks like. I hope this turns out cute in the morning, because if it's not and I done all this work, I'm gonna be pissed. So anywho, I'll come back to you guys once I've done all my hair. All right, they're done. So this is what my hair looks like right now. Like I said, I 2-strand twisted the top of them and then just put these at the bottom. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Right now I'm severely unenthused. So I'm gonna just see how these turn out in the morning. I'm gonna try and sleep on them. Hopefully it's not terribly uncomfortable, but I feel like it's going to be. 0 out of 10 would recommend spiral rollers. I'd rather do curl formers, so I think I'm going to go on Amazon and order some, because I do not recommend this. I don't like it. It's not fun. And you see, like, I'm so over it. I'm super over it. That's the only reason I'm not going in and like being real OCD about my hair. But I'm extremely over it. Like, extremely freaking over it. So I'm gonna come back to y'all with an update in the morning on how my hair turns out. Hopefully it's cute. If not, I'm gonna just put on my foamy pony and call it one. So good night. I will see you all in the morning.
You didn't know my feelings for you are strong. I just can't let this